Now, how to restore old photo using AI? No Photoshop needed. Here, open your ChatGPT, but you can use any AI which has the capability to upload photo. Here, I will break it down in stages for clear understanding. Stage 1. Here, I will restore a old torn photo. Now here, what we'll do now is here, click on this photo icon here. Now here you can see files, now here you can see photo, now here you can see camera. Now here what we'll do now is to click on these files here. Here, go to the place you save the photo here. Now here what we'll do now is to click on the old photo you want to restore here. As you can see, it's uploading. And here what we'll do is to type this prompt here. Let me type it and then explain here. Now here, let me read the prompt. Fix the image, repair the damaged parts. You can also make this image model by also adding comma and then type this. Make this photo look like a modern colored picture here by entering it here. But here, I'll just restore the photo, so I'll remove this comma. Now what we'll do is just click on this respond icon here and wait for it. As you can see, it have restored the photo. You can see it here. You see it. Now stage 2, here I will restore unrecognizable as old photo here. Now to do it, what you do is just click on the photo icon again. Here, the photo icon here. Now here, what you do is just click on these files here. Now here, go to where the photo is. Now here, what you do is here, select the photo here. Now here, what you do is just enter this prompt here. Fix. Let me type it and then explain it for you guys. And here what you do now is to send it by clicking on this icon here. See, it is creating the image. As you can see, it have restored the photo. You can see the difference. You see it. Now here, stage 3. Here I will show you how to retouch a photo to make it look like you take it from a studio or it was taken in a studio, and also remove any skin error or any skin disease. Now to do it, what you do is just click on this photo icon here. Here, click on files here. Or you can click on camera and take a picture of you and then use this prompt like this. But here I will click on files here to upload the photo. Now here I will use this photo. As you can see here in this photo, you can see the lady on the photo have a skin issue. Now to retouch it, what you do is to type this prompt here. First we will ask the AI to give us the best prompt to retouch this photo and to make it look like it was taken from a studio. Now here what you do is just here. First, let me type it and then explain here. Now here is how I describe it to, in order to give me the best prompt in order to make this photo look like it was taken from a studio. Now here you can see best prompt to make this photo look like a studio picture and also remove the skin disease and make the skin radiant. Here, let me add here, comma. Here also add this, optimize the prompt as a prompt engineer. Now you can see how I describe the information. Now here, what you do now is to send it like this. Now here you can see the prompt. What you do now is to copy the prompt here like this. Press the prompt here. Now click on this select text. Now what you do now is to press on it like this. And then select it like this. And then click on copy. Now here what you do now is to go back like this. Now here what you do now is to paste it like this. Now here what you do now is to send it like this. As you can see, it have transformed it into a studio pics. You see it here. Now let's check the difference here. Let's check the difference. Here you can see the difference here. You see it. You can see the difference. You can try each stage you need and tell me how it works on your device. Now that's how to do it. If you found the video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.